Hey everybody, welcome to our next topic, the double stroke roll. Now, as I mentioned in one of my other videos, the top 6 or my top 6 rudiments, the double stroke roll is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to do 2 strokes on each hand, back to back, evenly. Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now, to get this up to speed, notice when I just did that, I was using pretty much all wrist, or full stroke actually, but the wrist was following along. To get this up to speed, it's a combination of 2 things, 2 sides to this. You have your initial stroke, which I'm using a full stroke or legato stroke, whichever you want to call it. There it is. Okay? Same with the left. But the second part of that, once the stick has come back up, is a finger grab with all of your fingers. Now, it's not like a white knuckle thing, but you just literally grab the stick back down. So, legato stroke, and then grab with your fingers. And it's a downstroke. Upstroke, well, it's not an upstroke. Legato stroke, downstroke. Legato stroke, downstroke. Same over here. Legato stroke, downstroke. Open, finger grab. Open, finger grab. That way your wrists are just doing one movement down and one movement up. It's kind of like a piston motion. I'm going to over-exaggerate this terribly. This is way over-exaggerated. Keep that in mind. So, and no, my hand wouldn't go below the drum at any point in time, but this is, like I said, this is kind of the motion. Way over-exaggerated. Legato, grab, legato, grab, legato, grab, legato, grab, legato, grab, legato, grab. Same thing left side. Once we get that done, we have, keep in mind, it's not 2 wrists. What I want you to do is to practice slowly this open and grab. And if you notice, after the grab, my stick stays in the downstroke position. It doesn't do this. Okay, many kids, lots of younger students will try and do this. They'll try and this sloppy stuff, and it sort of sounds like a double stroke roll when you get faster. But if you notice, you can kind of hear it go back and forth, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And that's mainly because their first stroke is their heavy stroke, and then they're just letting the other stroke just kind of meander down on the pad. With my technique, and it's not really my technique, I've learned this from several different people, that second note needs to be as potent as the first note. Not this. Hear the difference? And like I said in my single stroke roll video, this is a marathon, not a sprint. What you need to do is keep that in mind. So, start slow, get to a point, and if it starts to get ugly, back it off, okay? See, right in there, got a little ugly. The point was, if you get there, start to back it off. Line it up again, and then try and push through. Now let's say in a week, you're here, and you try to push a little bit farther, and it gets lopsided again. Back it off to where you're comfortable. Stay comfortable. Try and push a little bit more. If it gets ugly again, back it off. Maybe in 2 weeks, and you're trying to push through this, and it gets ugly again. That's not good. Back it off. And keep trying that. Over time, you will get better. Again, it's a marathon, not a sprint. All right, before I give you a couple of exercises to help you with your double stroke roll, I want to encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell so you don't miss any content. It really does help us new guys to move forward in this new world of YouTube. Actually, it's an old world of YouTube, but new to me. So please do that. All right, so exercises. Here's one that one of my professors, Johnny Lee Lane, taught me way back in the late 80s when I was in college with him. It is 2 16th notes followed by an 8th note, and the 2 16th notes will be the right hand, and the 8th note will be the left hand. You want to accent the 2 16ths on the right, and don't accent the left. So it comes off like this. So have your right up, and remember, we're going to do the legato stroke into a finger pull. One E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. Get comfortable with this, and then you start speeding it up. This is 1/2 of a double stroke roll. Exactly 1/2. And always try and keep that second note as loud as the first. Back it off. Keep that second note up. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. And remember, legato into a finger pull. And then you'll do it left-handed, the exact same thing. Okay? Legato into a finger pull. Now this time, 2 accents on the left hand, non-accented on the right. And again, legato stroke, finger pull. Back it off. Okay? Again, now that's both sides of a double stroke roll, the right side and the left side. You get to concentrate on each side as opposed to trying to just automatically throw them together. You get to concentrate on what's my right hand doing, what's my left hand doing, are they doing the same thing, because that's what you really want. Next exercise is you're going to try and put them together. Okay, so we're going to go with 4 8th notes, right, left, followed by a set of 16th notes, right, left, right, left. Okay? So it's a measure of 4/4, so think of it this way, measure of 4/4. So you have 4 8th notes, followed by 8 16th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and a right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Goes like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And you want to concentrate there on doing the legato stroke into the finger pull when you get to the 16th notes. Okay? A little quicker. Alright, so I hope you got something out of that with the double stroke roll. Again, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe, like, and bell icons. And until the next time, our next video is going to be the buzz roll, multiple bounce roll. And until then, we'll see you guys. Take care.